Kidikot jong ka Committee on Women Empowerment jong yang dorbar tawan ke Jela Meghalaya belailam dari Dr. Amprin Lingdo kum ke chairperson jong ke committee. Kalau Bthah ke office jong District Medical and Health Officer bakadiman Thungkam Biang Mardor ye ikong imshida Thungkam kum ke ASHA ke Bapura ke Bentrekam hapok Nongsier ke bahap apok ke jirang CNRD block. Ya kena ku hukum balapan mi ke Committee on Empowerment jong yang dorbar tawan ke Jela kalalong Hadin jing hiar jong kidikot kena komiti syaka distrik Ribhoi banwat jing tep halor ki babon ki jingja thombor persya ki kelung kena bat kilong kemi haga distrik kumjo ru ban penklan ya kilat puli putih hapadang ki kena puli jong kena distrik haga bedai bat jing sim kya jong kena komiti halor ki jing sya wengkam jong kena nongtre ASHA hagi bor Nongsier kalong halor ke nongrem bangane ke nongtre ASHA kaliang ban ai ke jing harap ke bakongsan ne ke wei ke samla ke balamat ke jing sya thombor hagane ke snong da ke ba jing harap ke ban pentip shiki bor pulet halor ke jing ja ke bakalamat bat kumta ke ne komiti ke be khun ya ke hok jong kilong kemi kal ai ke jing kersian ke bapura ya ke ne ke nongtre ASHA ha ke jing hiar jong ke komiti ban toket halor ke babon ki mat ke bakongsan ke bedai bat ke jing sya thombor ke kelung kena ke jing hiran ha kaliang puli putih hab deng jigi kena jing sinong nong kendong bat ru halor ke jing deko ke jing trekam ke tenat pulet ha ke ban wat ne toket halor ke kambamman ke bejujana ke wei ke por se ke wei pat ha ke distrik ha bakran ki dong tho ku bor hadin ke jing elang i Dr. Amprin Lingdo bat ki wei ke lepen pau baleng ba ke jing kendo ha deng ke officer ke tenat pulet ke tenat ka kot ka kya bat ke social welfare ke rai ke banding kong kalong badi ban Thungkam Biang Mardori kong imshida Thungkam marmar kata naduk ka kanre tarek unai luar arjar arpau ha ka bala Bthah ru office ka DMHO ban pha ya ka kaipot ha ka ni ka si kini ki amale ka congress ke lepan paru jing sokya ka bajur ban yo jing tep bagan ni ka district ka layo ka kaipot wadu khatnyo tli jing ja sha thombor ne sha ale be ijot ki balaja hap deng ki khlung kena ki bahap apa ka pokso act hap deng ka klam covid-19 ha ka bayang ka kaipot ka leng ka committee kan sararu sha ka miet jong director general ki pulet Cucu kini gidong yalam ke komiti ke lepan paru ke jing bam senguhun halor ke rukom trekam jong ke tenat pulit ke distrik ha ke bede ke jing toket halor ki kambam man ki bajah ke distrik lengba ke jing keduk lang laya tairu halor ke jing dot kam ban kentiu ke puli putih lengba ke skim beti bacau beti parau ya ke balapan trekam Bthah ha ke distrik Ribhoi.
Inefficiency of the police very seriously. There are 3 women that have been victimized in this case. It is the rape victim, it is the mother, and the ASHA. Now this committee has given a very strong direction to the DMNHO that by tomorrow the ASHA should be back to her job. And a copy of the order given by the DMNHO should be marked and sent to this committee in Shillong by tomorrow evening. We would like to see the ASHA in her office, in her place of work by day after tomorrow. This committee also gave 2 weeks time to the SP of the Ribhoi district to take necessary action according to the FIR that has been filed against all the culprits who have vandalized the house of the victim and also who have threatened the ASHA. So these are very serious. The committee will not allow this kind of inefficiency or the careless attitude taken by the police in not nabbing the culprits on time. We need to give confidence to these 3 women, and the only confidence that we can give is if the district administration is by the side of these women.
Number 2, to add on what about what chairperson has said, that is about the increasing case in POCSO cases within the district. It is very alarming. Just within few months, within this pandemic, there are 17 cases in Ribhoi registered under POCSO Act. This is a huge concern. So through this committee, we would like to reiterate and to request all concerned, especially the Dorbarshnau, the second head, because this is not only the duty of the police or the district administration, it is also collectively the duty of each and every one of us within the district, within the state, to look after and to nab this culprit. So we have to check in each and every locality. We request the Bthah, they have given their helping hand to this pandemic, and from now on also, we would like to request, they are the one as a stakeholder to help the police, the administration to look after so that we can check this increasing of the POCSO case within the district.
Are very, very disturbed to hear that there is a steep increase in crimes against women, especially sexual abuse, rape on minors in the district. It is unfortunate to hear that 17 cases have been registered under POCSO. We will take this up with the DGP. It is alarming. 17 cases between April and September is quite a large number, and we will discuss this further with the DGP and look for ways and means to ensure that there is a fast tracking of these cases, number one. Number two, to ensure that there is widespread publicity to deter individuals from engaging in such heinous crimes against children, women and minors. Keeping in mind that she has 3 months approximately left to the completion period of her pregnancy, she should be allowed to return back home, and her home should be immediately repaired. The DC already has an estimate of what is required to get done. We hope that in the next week we will be given a full report of the rehabilitation of both the victim, the mother, and we want to see that they have a home, a peaceful place where they can go on with their lives. The other aspect of this case is that we have requested the police to fast track the case to ensure that a strong message is sent to everyone that rape is a heinous crime. We shall disallow delays in charge sheeting, delays in arrest of such oppressors.